Welcome to the 720XL disc base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the column, the disc base, and the 1000 by 1000 spider. You will also need a drill gun with both a 5 and 8mm Allen key bit and thread lock. Firstly, use the 5mm drill bit to remove the 4 screws from the bottom of the column. Change the drill to the 8mm bit and remove the screws from the top of the column. Stand the column upright so the end with the 6 holes is at the top. Grab the spider and place it on top of the column, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to the 6 screws and place them through the spider, connecting it to the column. Use the 8mm drill to gradually tighten the screws, keeping an even pressure load by moving in a circle, then diagonal. Next, flip the column over so the spider is face down. Place the base on top of the column, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to the screws and place them through the base. And finally, change to the 5mm drill bit and tighten the screws. The 720XL disc base range is large and sturdy, ideal for permanent places with limited movement. It can support up to an 1800 round top, has adjustable foot glides, and is available in multiple colour options including Danube Black, Porto White or Prague Stainless Steel, allowing them to complement any dining or office application.